I have an Husqvarna AWD mower, but the propulsion stopped working yesterday. It was making a clicking noise, then just stopped. What things do I need to check to get it back in operational mode?
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. What is the full model and serial, please?
HU800 AWD is the model number, but I do not have the serial number. I am not in front of the mower at this time.
Thank you. That really helps. I know the drive system we're working on now. Have you first checked to make sure the belt has not come off the pulleys by removing the front shroud? Where specifically is the clicking coming from? Front wheels, rear wheels, center, left, right? Site guidelines require that I post all troubleshooting steps or partial answers as answers, but this is certainly not the final answer yet. Additional troubleshooting will be required. So please hold off on rating until we determine the exact problem. Please use the reply to expert link so we can continue the discussion. RIC 41513.75504686634.
The clicking sounded like it was coming from the rear wheels. I will have to check the belt later this afternoon, when I get in front of the mower.
At your convenience. Please let me know. That would be the most likely cause, but there's a few other things to look at as well if that's not the case. Here's some info for reference on that unit. Manual. If you check page 1415, it will show you exactly how to get to the belt. Keep me posted, please.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.